A very easy topic, yet very important for the beginners who are studying hotel management. So today's session will be all about methods of cooking. Well, let's understand about cooking first. What is cooking? Well, it is a process of preparing food for consumption by burning it over a fire until it is ready to eat. Cooking is the process of applying heat to food to transform it from raw condition into one that is acceptable and edible. Cooking is also the art, science, and craft of utilizing heat to make food more tasty, digestible, nutritious, and safe. It is also sometimes referred to as cookery or the culinary arts in a professional settings. Aims of cooking food then. Cooking helps to make food more digestible. Cooking increases palatability. It makes food more attractive in appearances, therefore more appetizing. Cooking introduces varieties. Many different types of dishes can be prepared using the same ingredients but different cooking methods. Cooking helps to provide a balanced meal. Going through the objectives of cooking, we have to understand the major objective is to make the food more palatable first, to help in digestion process, helps in killing the bacteria and keeping the food sterile. It improves the eye appeal of the food. Multiple ingredients used in cooking enhances the nutritional value of the dish as well. And different methods of cooking changes the texture of food, which brings flavor and aroma. Cooked food can be stored for a longer time, so it's also one of the many objectives. Heat transfer in cooking. All methods of cooking requires following sort of principles. They are radiation, conduction, and convection. Radiation is where heat passes through directly on the object that has to be cooked, for example, grilling, microwave cooking, etc. Conduction is the process of using metals like pans and utensils for transferring the heat to object. Example, stainless steel vessel. The heat transfer from heated range to the pan and from the pan to the food contained within it. Convection is the process in which the movement of heated particles of gas and liquids happens. On heating, the particle expands, become less dense and rise. The cooler particles take the places. Example, motion of boiling water in the pot, air currents in an oven. Classification of cooking. Cooking has been classified into three different types: moist heat, dry heat, and medium of fat. In moist heat, the food is cooked by using water, for example, boiling, simmering, poaching, etc. In dry heat, it is the method where the heat is conducted without moisture, either by using any of the following, for example, hot air, that happens to be an oven, hot metal, grill or salamander, and radiation, microwave cooking example. Medium fat. In this method, the food is cooked with the help of fats or oil, for example, shallow frying, deep frying, etc. Now, let's see one of the many moist heat cooking methods. Let's see the boiling. It happens when the liquid, water or sometimes stock, is bubbling rapidly with surface agitation. Water boils at 100 degrees Celsius, 212 degrees Fahrenheit. Food material is submerged to the boiling water, gets cooked in it, and is softened. Example, boiling of vegetables. In dry heat method, we will talk about baking. This term usually applies to bread, pastries, and other such dishes which usually have a semi-solid texture and get cooked and set after baking. Usually, the fat is contained within the food and the temperature of the oven depends on the food which is to be baked. Finally, in the medium of fat, we are talking about deep frying. Once the oil is sufficiently hot, the food is lowered or submerged in the oil carefully. It is cooked till the desired brown color and crisp texture. Food is kept on an absorbent paper for a few minutes to remove excess oil. Thank you very much. We are here in the end of this slide, and for more content like this regarding hotel management topic, keep on subscribing and sharing our videos. Thank you.